Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. The case of the prosecution is that the said allotments were made in a totally illegal and fraudulent manner, although verification was required to be made as per instructions of the Rehabilitation Department. There is no dispute about it that the allottees were subjected to cut prior to 22/10/1973, and it is only after the order passed by this court in civil writ petition number 841/1968 the scheme of cut imposed upon by the government was set aside, making was entitled to possess the land is equal share as that they had possessed in Pakistan before partition stopped. The order passed by the then Revenue Minister approving the scheme of the government regarding imposition of cut was also set aside on the ground of jurisdiction stopped. The case registered related to 92 files regarding allotment of land to the displaced persons who had migrated to India and Indo-Pak division in the year 1947, how persons arrayed as accused in the said FIR stopped. The claimants had then sought allotment of the land which had been denied to them on account of cut. The applications were processed. The allegations are that without verifying the entitlement and the identity of the claimants, orders of the allotment were made and 1329 acres of land as stated above was allotted to different persons stopped. A question was raised in the Legislative Assembly and the matter was inquired into by the Commissioner Ambala, and it was found that the allotment had been made without verifying the claims and also without any proper verification stop. It was also observed that it was a case of land grabbing and it involves officers of various levels including the Revenue Minister stop. Para numbers 5 and 6 of the impugned order dated 7/6/2001 passed by the Sessions Judge Ambala, of which cancellation is sought, read as under stop. The investigation state in this case is further and the challan has already been filed stop. 13 accused out of the total 17 accused have been released on bail stop. The bail application of accused A.S. Dangi was opposed by the said on the ground that his earlier bail application has been ejected stop. Learned APP had referred to an authority reported as, but the facts of the present case are entirely different stop. Therefore, there is no reasonable apprehension that the respondent would tamper with the evidence stop. There is also no reasonable apprehension that they would not join the process of law to face the sentence stop. The respondent Shri A.S. Dangi is in the custody stop. Over.